Привет. Я в Боготе. So okay. I make a movie.
Okay.
That's two guys which provided me
El cabrito y
in Colombia, in Bogota.
Bogotá. In
Sure.
rain.
No rain. No rain. It's okay.
Okay.
Good. Oh, senoritas. But where is the diamonds? It's only senoritas here. Hello. Oh, I like it. What name of this place?
Galería Vinos de Colombia. Welcome.
Yeah.
Ah,
What
okay.
is your name?
Alejandra.
Alejandro, of course, Alejandro. My name is Igor,
Igor,
Yeah.
where are you from?
from Russia.
Ah, really?
Really, really. You're like a Shrek. Yeah, really.
No, but your name is like very Russian.
My name is Igor.
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 Yeah, I think that Igor and Dimitri are very Russian names. No?
You already found some man from Russia?
Yeah.
Where from you know this name? Dmitry.
Dimitri? I don't know.
Dmitry Medvedev is our president.
Ah, really?
Really?
Okay, so we start here.
Yeah.
This is a reproduction of Muso mine. Muso is the most important emerald mine here in Colombia.
Uh-huh.
It's located in Boyacá department. Boyacá is northwest of
But is
Cundinamarca.
these people all slaves?
No.
No?
They are all workers.
Just workers. It's
Just
not slaves.
workers. No, not slaves.
You sure?
I'm very sure.
What is the name of your president?
My president?
Yeah. Your
Juan
president.
Manuel
Your
Santos.
president.
Juan Manuel Santos.
One more time?
You're Juan Manuel Santos.
Perfect.
That's mine.
You respect this guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me truth, because, for example, for me, I respect my president because he make plenty for the people.
Here. Just a little.
Thank you for your truth.
Okay, don't worry.
Well, I never worry. I'm happy.
The owner of the mines is the government,
Uh-huh.
but the government gives concessions to particulars
Yeah.
or private companies to get out the stones.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's the way how do they exploit it. And all the people who works outside of the mine are called huaqueros.
And they still there?
It's still there.
Every
Not slaves, only huaqueros.
like cockroaches, you know?
All of those are independent workers who look for the emeralds in the water that we
Yeah.
used to wash inside
Good.
of the mine.
And
Here-
that is a main diamond or what?
No, emeralds.
Oh, really?
We don't have diamonds here in Colombia, only emeralds.
But it's a
We have diamonds, yeah,
the
but
Russian name of your how you call it?
Emeralds?
Yeah, Russian name is Izumrud. Also yes, it's a green color.
Ah, okay.
We have the same. It's not the diamond, but it's the very expensive stone. We call it Izumrud. It's Russian name. You call it Esmeralda.
Esmeralda in Spanish
Esmeralda,
and
yeah.
emerald in English.
Okay, emerald. Never mind. I never used it.
Okay.
Our girls, Russian girls, prefer mostly diamonds.
Yeah, diamonds.
Gold and diamonds.
Diamonds. That's true.
Excuse me.
Over there we have the Colombian map
It's me.
to show you where are the mines. Colombia is divided in departments.
Uh-huh.
Here in the middle of the country we have Bogota department, Cundinamarca department, and the capital is Bogota.
Uh-huh.
Northwest, it's located Boyacá department, and the capital is Tu. Between those two departments are concentrated all the emerald mines here in Colombia. We have 6 mines for emeralds. And all of those produce the 65% of
Espérate un momento para que las niñas la orienten un poco.
and the other
You
part
finished university, I think, yeah? Already.
already.
English perfect.
Thank you very much.
Unbelievable. I almost love you.
Thank you. Me too.
Love yourself.
This is another reproduction. This one shows how the emerald appears.
Yeah, I know how it works.
So always appears with some minerals like carbon, quartz, and pyrite or false gold,
Yeah.
and always over the rocks on the wall.
I want one more coffee.
Okay.
You want
Only half of spoon of sugar. One more coffee, please.
Tranquilo, déjelo ahí, yo ya lo mando a pedir. We use dynamite to open the ways, but when the emeralds appears, the job needs to be
Open the
manual.
ways for the red to escape.
To escape. Tati, ¿me haces un favor? ¿Me regalas otro café? Con una sola azúcar y una sola...
Le da una idea más clara
Okay.
de lo que es una red.
Then we process the emeralds in a machine similar to that one.
Unbelievable.
So the machine has two discs. The first one is made of copper and the second one is made of tin. We use the first one to make the shape for the emerald, the different cuts, and the second one to polish the stones.
Oh, really?
So really? So first we need to put the rockstone emerald here in those metal sticks
Yeah.
with the help of lacre, that is
Yeah.
that one. Lacre is similar to a silicone.
Uh-huh.
Then we use the first disc to make the shape for the emerald and the different cuts. We make the cuts with those angles here. And then you will do the same process here to polish the stones. So the process is like this. We start here, making the shape for the emerald, always with the help of water because the water keeps the temperature low. And then we use the second disc to polish the stone, and we use the same angles that we use there. When that process finished, the emeralds are ready to be setting, and we can see it better.
You sure?
Yeah, very sure.
Very, very, very
Very, very sure.
unbelievable.
Okay, here we have all the emeralds ready to be setting. If you want, you can sit down. And sit, please. Sit. Okay. After the process on the machines, si quieres sentarse también puede hacer. Emeralds are ready to be setting. All the prices for each emerald depends on the quality that the stone has. That quality depends also about the combination, color, brightness, and purity. As you can see there, here all the emeralds are green always, but dark green is better quality for the stone.
Perfect. Can I sit beside you
Ah, yes, of course.
to make the picture with you for my next wife?
Okay.
Just hold it. Don't touch anything. No,
No.
it's still running.
Okay.
Continuous movie.
Oh, moving. Okay.
Esmeralda.
Okay.
Good?
Okay.
Good.
Did you make a movie?
Yes.
That's it.
So, more color or dark color is better quality, better shine, for example, like similar to diamonds, better sparkles, and less inclusions. It's better for the emeralds. Here we have